How to install FaceApp on Android. First of all, open the Play Store and tap on the search button at the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type FaceApp and press the search icon. You will see the official app listed in the results. Make sure it's the correct one, developed by FaceApp Technology Limited. Next, tap on the app to open its details page. You will find information like reviews, screenshots, and app ratings. Tap the install button to begin downloading. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few seconds to complete. Once the installation is finished, the button will change to open. Tap it to launch FaceApp for the first time. When prompted, allow the necessary permissions such as access to your camera and photo library, which are needed to use the app's features. After the setup, you will land on the main screen where you can start editing photos using various filters and tools. You can either take a new picture or choose one from your gallery to begin transforming your look. Now you know how to install FaceApp on your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.